Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting update which came to Meta Business Manager account, and that is Meta AI Business Assistant. So now Meta has also launched their AI to help us to improve the performance of the campaigns. But yes, I have used it. There are many things which they are suggested, but yeah, I just want to say that not everything will be help us. There are some things which will not help us and decrease the results of our campaign. So we need to use the AI, but carefully. So in today's video, I will let you know how you can use the Meta AI Business Assistant and which thing you need to implement and which is not. So everything will be discussed in the video. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Thank you. So first of all, as you can see, I just want to update you that Meta AI Assistant is not coming for all the accounts. There are some beta accounts which have that options, but other accounts didn't have that option right now. Let me show you that as well. As you can see, this account didn't have the Meta AI Business Assistant option because it comes here, but this account didn't have it. So please don't confuse like my account is not having that option. So this kind of confusion will create, but let me clear it. Not every account still didn't get any all the accounts still didn't get the Meta AI Business Assistant option. So some are working on it and some have that option. So let me show you the account which have that option. As you can see, Meta AI Business Assistant. So yes, this account is a beta version account, and the beta version accounts are those ones who have spent a lot of money in the past 6 months. So Meta will give them the preference and give them more options to get results from the help of the Meta AI Business Assistant. So as you can see, the Meta Business AI Assistant options come after the set business setting options, help, and after that Meta AI Business Assistant. So if you are running a campaign, as I'm already running this campaign, let me show you we have a lot of we have spent a lot of money here. So in that way, if you have some data from the previous months from the campaigns, so you can use their data to ask Meta AI assistants like, yes, we are stuck there, what kind of things we can do, and make sure if they are giving you the recommendation, not all are profitable for you. You just need to check it out at your end as well, because this happens with me as well. Some of the implementation which I have, some of the recommendation which I have get from the Meta, I have implemented that, and due to that our results are also gone. But yes, if you do it carefully, you are running your campaigns, you have the knowledge what have been done in the past and what kind of things you are doing on the daily level to optimize the campaign and get better results. So you need to be aware of yes, this thing, if I will do it, whether it will affect or it will defect our campaigns. So let's start with Meta AI Business Assistant. As you can see, there are a lot of options here. You can ask questions as well, and first of all, there are options like analyze my campaign setup, summarize my ad performance, give me a budget breakdown, what budget should I set. So all these are the questions. You can ask some other questions like the custom questions from your end as well. Let me ask them analyze my setup, analyze my campaign setup. So it will start by just clicking on that button, and they will give us the proper overview which they think, which the algorithm think basically, which the algorithm think, yeah, this is the analysis performance report, if we are doing good or not. So everything will be get it here. So you just need to read down very carefully and see what kind of things we can use and other things as well. As you can see, they have given us a detailed summary, like which campaign is the learning phase, where we need to apply recommendations, or also they have given us the additional recommendation as now the part is coming, which I have told you need to be more careful. They have given us the recommendation. First of all, they have given us all the data, which campaign is performing good, which is doing good, where we need to make changes, where we don't know to make the changes. So as you can see here, an additional recommendation, he told us test Advantage Plus audience for underperforming segments, while audience based as shown as 74% improvement in the CPR. It remains 40 to 45% above the industry benchmark. Instead of narrow down your targeting, consider A/B testing using advantage plus audience. This allows Meta AI to improve conversion opportunity beyond your selected parameters while maintaining your core audience intent. So basically, they are recommending right now to run the campaign on advantage plus plus. So I just want to let you know that here you need to be more careful. Not every recommendation will help you. As I have already done this, I have already used advantage plus audience in the campaigns, but I just want to let you know that that doesn't work for my campaigns, or it will make a negative effect. Our cost per results have gone high due to that. So that is why I'm always always told you, please read first and do your own analysis on the campaign first. After that, you can implement these kind of recommendation. If they told me that yes, you need to run the campaign only for the dog owners, because my targeted audience is only the dog owners, and we have that kind of audience already present in the detailed targeting option. So that is a good additional recommendation. If they will give me that, I will definitely implement it. But the recommendation which they have given us, I don't think it will help us to get more results, help you to get better results. But it is the case where you are also doing your own analysis as well. Do your own analysis, then use the Meta AI based assistant. Don't rely on it, and don't be more use this, because you can use it, but for some separate criteria. Like analyze your campaign first, ask recommendation from Meta, and yes, I just want to let you know that as well. Like yes, there are some recommendations that are very good as well. I have used it for my client as well, and those recommendations definitely help me to improve the performance as well. But yes, first of all, I have my own analysis, and I have seen that results from that particular audience. They have recommended some other thing. I have analyzed my campaign first, and with the help of that, I have seen yes, I can implement this particular recommendation. After that, I have implemented and get good results. So Meta AI assistant is a good tool, but you need to use it carefully. So I think now you are able to use that particular thing at your end as well, like the Meta AI business assistant. So I just want to let you know that use it, get more and more results, but be careful. Do your own analysis first, and after that use it. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any query and concern, you can directly contact me through the number flashing on the screen. Bye bye.